So for section 8.1, it's just an introduction to vectors. You did these in geometry. A vector was written like this with a pointy bracket, and it looked like a ray. And we'll talk more about this notation and this kind of stuff later on down the road, but I just wanted to remind you of this from geometry. So a scalar is just a number that has only size, okay? So this is something like miles per hour, 23 miles per hour, or 40 pounds, or 2 years, okay? It just has some kind of a size, a description. A vector has magnitude, size, but it also has a direction, okay? So a force of 40 pounds downwards, okay? The car is driving 23 miles per hour north. So a vector has both magnitude and direction. So the first part of your assignment is asking you, is it a scalar or is it a vector? So example 1a says a boat is traveling at 15 miles per hour. So if it's just 15 miles per hour, we do not have a direction. We only have speed. We only have that size. And so this one is just a scalar. B says a hiker walking 25 paces due west. So 25 paces, there's your magnitude. Due west, there's your direction. So this one is a vector. A person's weight on a bathroom scale. So weight on a bathroom scale. This is something that's calculated using their mass and the downward pull of gravity. And so this is a tricky one because if it's weight, then it's going to be a vector. And it's not something where we think of weight as being a vector. But your weight is based on gravity. You weigh less on the moon than you weigh on the earth. And so this one has to also be a vector because it has magnitude and it has direction. It has the downward pull of gravity. If they asked for a person's mass, their mass is not going to change. Okay. So then if we look at the guided practice, we'll do a few more of these. And then, so guided practice 1A, a car traveling 60 miles per hour, 15 degrees east of south. So you've got both magnitude, 60 miles per hour, and then direction, 15 degrees east of south. So this is a vector. A parachutist falling straight down at 12 miles per hour. It's not a great direction, but it's got the direction straight down, and then we've got the magnitude of 12.5 miles per hour. So this one is a vector. A child pulling a sled with a force of 40 newtons. Okay, doesn't say any direction, it just has the size 40 newtons, and so this one is a scalar.